Hey guys, welcome to Ink to Scalp. We're just going to take you through kind of the layout and studio so you feel comfortable before actually even arriving. So come on down. I'll give you an understanding of how Ink to Scalp works, our procedure, and kind of walk you through the journey. So when you arrive, we will just kind of take a before picture of where your hairline's at and just some particular adjustments. We'll also just kind of prepare your scalp, lotion it down so it's nice and healthy and rejuvenated in order to do the micropigmentation. After that, if you do have a member of your family or anybody like that, we can only accept 2 individuals, one in the studio and one in our waiting room. Hence why we have a closed door studio. So come on over here. Here is our studio where the scalp micropigmentation works. We go through our treatments. Every individual has their hairline developed and created by Yvette Greenall, and the client kind of goes through the process of choosing what style suits them best. Over here is where we'll kind of go through the consultation process, letting you know and understand the different types of clienteles and the hairlines that they've selected to determine what's suitable for you. We'll then start you off on our bed, building your hairline, the overall realistic density, and then finishing off, for most gentlemen, the back of their head or their crown, where we'll then move you to our last section of scalp micropigmentation, and we'll just build that density over here with our final table. So it gives you an overall realistic view. Again, the density is realistic, and obviously with working with different types of clienteles and skin tones, our inks have a range of different types of tones where we can match anything to your current follicles that you already have remaining. Thank you very much for visiting Ink to Scalp.